Full-size pools are enjoyable, but can be lots of work. Hot tubs are more economical, but include a serious lack of space. Introducing fiberglass plunge pools, small-sized pools with hot tub-like features. Plunge pools walk the line as they are larger than hot tubs, providing for more personal space. But they're still small enough to enjoy the company that you may be with, and you don't have to manage a large body of water. These small-sized pools delivered to your home in a precast shell and can be installed in-ground, above ground, or semi-in-ground. They fit very well in small spaces, and the best news of all, are very economical while delivering an intimate pool ownership experience. The Virginia Beach model from Genesis Fiberglass Pools is durable and modern. It checks in with dimensions of 9 feet 4 inches by 14 feet 8 inches. It has a flat bottom, and you can stand in 4 feet 9 inches of water. Stylish entrance and exit steps are located on one of the shorter ends. This pool has no in-pool seating and would be a great option for someone who is looking to fit the most pool space possible in a difficult backyard, or wants to utilize the openness for activities such as floating or aquatic exercising. We are selling fiberglass plunge pools in 2024 in a range from $40,000 to $60,000 depending on the accessories chosen. If you decide to attach both a gas heater and an auto cover to your plunge pool, you can even enjoy it in the wintertime. Whatever the season, whatever the reason, enhance your outdoor living with a plunge pool. And if you're going to do it with fiberglass. A pool for everyone, it's the Virginia Beach. To initiate the fiberglass plunge pool conversation, contact Easy Test Pools today.